I don't like that. Wow, nice. Is your pants big? Do you need a belt? Whoa. What happened? Your eye hurt? Still hurt? Are you excited with your swimming pool? Oh, oh, don't. Oh, it's don't. Oh, it's not locked. You need to lock it. You know how to lock it? Maybe grandma can help you. Hindi niya malak. Mother, kailangan butones eh. Naalis pala. Kailangan butones. Grandma will fix it, Gilana. All done? Oh, you fix it? Okay. Oh, yay. Antok. Wow. 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 Andun na si mother. Mangangahoy siya. Oh, ready? You, oh, be careful. Look at Gilana, Julene. Go run! Go run! Okay, I'll be you them. Okay, okay. Whoa, you did it. Can I video your sister? Julene, are you gonna run with Jade? Are you, okay. Gilana, I'll be back, okay? Okay. Are you gonna run with Jade too? Okay, ready. Not yet, there's a fire there. You be careful, there's a fire. Alin, Ipa, Julene, have daddy take it out that wood, the stump, yeah. Huh? You have to tell daddy, please. That's your project. Pinano ko sa kanya. Iurong mo dun sa gitna, mother, kasi naglalaro sila dito. Ilagay mo dito sa gitna. Yung apoy. Iurong mo na lang dito sa gitna dito. Para hindi maano. Kick! Oh! Wow! That's so close. Yeah. Jade did. I noticed it today. Four. I don't like that babalu thing kind of thing. That's why I don't like it because see you're doing it again. Yeah, it's close. You learn to smile like babalu now. So listen, don't listen to me. It's not good. That's why I said it's not good. You smile naturally. I tried to you to stop it. It becomes so natural for you being babalu now. Yeah, because no. Oh, No, 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 no.